Okay, let's do the blossom. Even bigger, whoops. It's an even bigger piece. A little water, wipe the excess off. Pot, wow, that's really big. Okay, I got a little carried away on that one. Let's try that again. Still a tiny bit big. Okay, so it's a little bit bigger than the other one we had. Pop it on. Roll it at the base. Okay, you got that little bulby shape, and then you want to pinch the top of this. And then you're going to take a pair of tiny scissors, which I have here somewhere. I think I've covered them up somewhere. Let me find them. Here they are. Okay. And I'm going to make cuts, a bunch of little cuts. And these are like the stamens in the center, kind of like what they are. Okay, and what I'm going to do is squeeze that together. So what I did is I just kind of pinched it around the base here, just with a pair of tweezers. So it was flat, but now it's pinched up. It looks kind of like an onion. Or turn. See how it's got like it looks like it's a little pointy, and it's got little hairs coming out of the top there.
Yeah, we got it. Great.
You got it?
Yeah,
okay.
Thank you.
And then I use the to try to separate them out just a little bit. Use a toothpick or something with a point, so they aren't, you know, huddled up close. Give them a little space. Okay, and that's what you're looking for. What we're going to do is dust these so it'll look like the center. Okay, I can breathe. Feels good. Okay, so we've made all our pieces and we're ready to color, right?
Yep.
So far? Okay, are there any questions on it so far?
If these were made in green, if the flowers were in green, what shade of green would you use?
I would use moss green. I've got it
green.
here. I love this moss green. Okay.
Cool.
This is my favorite moss green. You can also use avocado, because that also works well. And I think juniper might be a little too blue, but you can always add a little yellow to it, a little yellow to juniper. You know, I use what I have, and then I add other colors to it to get what I want. By the way, you get more points at a cake show if you do that. If you mix colors, you get more points instead of using colors straight out of the jar, just in case you're curious.
Excellent. Good to know.
Yep. Okay. So let's dust it and put it together. My dusting station. See, I got a really expensive one. What can I say?